lovelies, thank you again for stopping in for another video with me. That's always so greatly appreciated that you're even here to see what I have to bring to you. So today I'm going to be bringing you a hair tutorial on how I created my space buns when I went to the opening of Galaxy's Edge here at Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida. This hairstyle is super simple, but it looks so stinking cute and it fits the theming of Star Wars so fantastical. If you plan on going to the park either in Florida or California, try creating this space buns look because oh my gosh, you're gonna look so cute and your hair is gonna be on point and you're just gonna love it, I promise you. So to start, I've already curled my hair. I just used my T3 wand with the tapered barrel, and my new favorite hair ties are these from Slip, and they're just like that silk little scrunchie, and it's little tiny and they hold your hair in place and they don't hurt. Got some bobby pins here, you know, if we need to tweak and pull little pieces here and there, but pretty much you just create two pigtails. So here we go.
So first, just start by parting your hair. I like to go down the side just because I like that better on myself. Then I will take that top portion and I'll start to back comb or tease. That way it gives it a little added lift. And then I go in and I just start to pull out some wispies around the front portion of my face. Start to put the ponytail in on that last one for that tightest level. Just don't pull your hair all the way through so it makes that little bobble. And then honestly, just start to pick it apart and just pull different pieces to separate it so it looks cute and how you exactly want it. And then obviously, just repeat the same steps on the other side. So this side I do have some more hair just because I did give myself that side part, but I think it's okay. Also, as you can see here, I'm starting to pull on that base portion of the ponies just so it gives it some added lift and a little extra oomph too. And then simply just finish it off with your hairspray of choice just to really lock it in.
See, I told you lovelies, this is a super simple hairstyle, but it looks like you put some effort and thought into it to make it look like you spent a little extra time or put more work into it. But how adorable are these little space buns? I just think they're so cute, and you don't have to just leave this for your Star Wars outings. You can honestly wear this with any fun look for Disney, or it doesn't even have to be for Disney. You can also create this look with maybe leaving it half down and doing two little bitty space buns up top. You'll feel a little bit more like Baby Spice. But curling your hair prior to creating these pigtails definitely add just that little whimsical look to it, and it also just takes care of these ends then here that are sticking out behind. It's just not plain straight hair just sticking out. Having your hair curled as well, I feel makes these little buns a little bit more full, so that way you can just pull and piece it apart so it just looks more I hope this was pretty simple enough and explanatory that maybe you guys will give these space buns a try out the next time you're creating a fun look for yourself. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. Wanting some further inspiration for either your style, beauty, and fitness needs, just check these videos out right over here, and that will keep you entertained with more Lace Love and Laura. And until next time, stay sweet sunshines.